I can't wait to fail today, right? Said no one ever. What's up, y'all? Koy McDermott here, and I know that's a phrase that no one ever uses. No one ever says or wakes up in the morning and says, I cannot wait to fail. But why shouldn't we? Is it time for us to redefine the way that we think about the word failure? You see, FAIL is an acronym, F-A-I-L, or First Attempt in Learning. There's never really a time where you actually fail and don't learn something that can get you to that next step. We now hear phrases like fail forward, fail fast, fail often. And those are things that we can definitely incorporate not only in our business, but also in our lives. Let's get out there and let's fail, or more importantly, let's learn what we need to do to move to the next level. Be in your blessings.